at the same time, I can say, yes, I do see that Yiddish, and I hope that Hebrew will also become something like this, but I do see that Yiddish and Yiddishism, where the language itself is the center, is becoming an answer. I don't know statistically for how many people, but it is an answer to many, many people whom I know personally who do not find other answers to Jewish identity, who look for it. They look for it in mitzvahs, in religious practices, which I respect, and each person does what he wants, but for many, it doesn't give them enough. Or for various reasons, it's not a compatible answer for them. I don't judge it. And they don't find an answer to their Jewish identity with a certain state or territory. They don't think that their whole Jewish identity can be reduced to a piece of land. Okay? And I think through learning through language, which is, as I said before, this is what I am looking for all the time. I think that, yes, I see a lot of people who came to Yiddish because of this, how do you say, enttäuscht? Being disappointed with the different answers that were given to them.